destruction with the wrecking crew. Just plundering the top of the spot. Watch what he does this time. He's aimed right at the bus again. He just cleared it. Now that's some serious donut. Krispy Kreme can't deliver that. No way. Wrecking crew on the move. The dust out for Wrecking crew. He vanishes into that cloud of dust and reappears as he goes over those jumps on his right side tires. Landing safely. Now on the completely. Closing it out. And now we're forward. Wrecking crew. The clock continuing to tick. He wallows that huge truck over that school bus. And that'll do it for Wrecking Crew, completing the Fleet Freestyle Walk. Out the truck.